Oh shit! What is up, everybody? It's been a while since I've done a vlog. Just got home from school, just finished up finals, which were stressful as hell. But as you can tell, I still got like videos up of everything. So someone reminded me that they wanted more vlogs up and they like the vlogs a lot. So I figured I'd change it up a bit and show you my weekend while I'm home before I have to finish my finals. Whew! I just got finished typing a 10-page fucking essay about dirt bikes. So safe to say my English teacher is gonna know a lot about dirt bikes after that little stretched out essay. You guys are gonna hate me, but I typed about why 4-strokes are better for racing. Obviously not, but had more reasoning behind it. Just a little bit of an update on the KDX. A little disclaimer though, I did not work on this, which sucks. I did a little bit of just tearing the bike apart, and then I had to go back to school and finish finals and shit. Thanks to my dad for being a savage. The OG Sav Daddy. He worked on it himself. I'm a fucking idiot, and I didn't know this was reverse thread. Motherfucker, let me zoom in on this motherfucker. I didn't know that the end of the power valve right here, the little rod, was a reverse dead. Snapped it off like an idiot. So that friggin' small ass piece was 75 bucks. A cool little update for everybody. Paid 30 bucks and I got 500 of these fuckers printed out. Little business card. If you ever see me on the track, hit me up. Wow, riding in snow is really sketchy, or driving in snow. It's just the driveway that's bad so far. It is cold as balls right now in the garage because the garage has been open for a little while. Finally done with finals and everything. I have the KD, or I didn't do it, I can't take credit for it. My dad finished up the KDX. So what I'm gonna do is do the air filter. So we got the KDX pretty clean. I mean, give or take like the boots and stuff. But yeah, engine itself's pretty clean, new top end in it. Cleaned out the power valve, swing arm's pretty good, the linkage is solid. What I'm gonna do today is front wheel bearing, air filter, and then I gotta replace the gas in it. Take note, it is like freaking negative something in here. Just kidding. It's like, I don't even know, it's like 20 degrees in here, it's freaking cold, so I'm gonna be wearing a hood and shit, and I got my jacket over there. On down to the Sav Daddy's brewery. Just bottled up some shipyard beer out of this KDX over here. I got a little bit of gas in there, should be good to go. Now what we're gonna do is put the new air filter in there. The mouse made a good snack out of the air filter. Jesus. Oh, what the fuck? Fuck, this thing is so clean. Dude, I don't even want to breathe on it. It's so clean. Alright, now that I got the seat on, I'm going to do the wheel bearing. I'll do the front wheel bearing, that should be fun. Oh boy, this should be fun. This is dirty as hell. The tool right here is a lifesaver. It is a breaker bar. Easier than using this bad boy. Just use the breaker bar, and then you won't strip shit out. And it's just a lot easier, a lot less work. Start with this side. Gross. Kind of a cool design. I mean, it's dirty as fuck. I got the bearing out. It has a little spacer along the outside of it, so when you flip the tire over, you can kind of use, what I used is the front axle and hammer. I kind of banged it out a little bit. So now when you put them back in, you want to put them even and soft, and you want to put a lot of marine grease on them. Oh, it's already coming out. I like to go like this, go across. I hate this song so much. Now notice how I'm like rotating around so it comes out evenly. I'm actually gonna spend quite a bit of time cleaning it off, but Jesus Christ.
Oh, that's greasy. That's really fucking greasy.
Look how bad that is. That's just insane. So I cleaned out the seat the best I could. So basically what the seat is where the bearing sits. And then there's like a little notch so you don't push it in too far. And then there's a little space for the seal. So what I did notice is I looked it up on the stock version. There should have been a seal right there, and there wasn't a seal on it. So whoever had this bike must have had it come out or something. I really don't know.
That's awesome.
Alright, first thing you want to do is grab your Bel-Ray grease from Kevin's Cycle and put as much as you can around the seat of it, and then you're going to want to put some on the bearing itself. And next step after that is grab the biggest socket you can, and you want to make sure you're pressing it in evenly. And what my dad's doing is cleaning off the rust off of the spacer. Yeah.
I think I can do it without.
Oh, that's working really good. The next step, after you greased your bearing and you grease the seat of it, I'm gonna do it for the sake of argument because not everyone has a huge ass socket that's even across it. You want to grab the socket and go around the outside of the bearing so evenly, and preferably you want to mallet for a softer hit. So you want to do like one hit per side. You just want to keep going around and like softly tap it. There might be a different way you do it. I don't know. All I know is it's all about surface area. You want to be really careful. You want to make sure you're hitting the edge, the metal part of the edge of the bearing, so you do not dent or poke out any of the pins inside of it. So I wanted to stop. So this is where the bearing is flush with the hub. This is the hardest part and the most careful part. You need to make sure you find the line of the metal and then being flush with the hub. Just go really slow. Then once it gets in there, you can take your bigger hits, but just tap it until it sets in there. So I'm gonna conclude this video right here. Got the front tire on, press the bearings in, put new gas in. So tomorrow should be exciting. I'm gonna start the bike up tomorrow. See if she starts up. We're still waiting on the headlight because the other one on the table over there is broken. So should be a good day tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I have a video up by tomorrow, and we're gonna do my dad's linkage tomorrow. Hopefully get some pitter gooning around.
I ain't no stranger to the rain. I put the sunshine in my gray clouds. Worked hard for where I'm at, so it's easier for me to sleep now. But I don't sleep, I walk the roads from stop sign to street name. No yellow marks on these back roads, so I paint the lines to pave my way. And these frame pics on my wall for my top.